It's been a while since the pandemic locked us in and kept us apart from friendly faces and rides to places we miss. Routes mapped out in our minds, trails etched in our memories. Khardungla, Spiti, Goa, Kutch. These aren't names, they're stories. All those sounds, the wind, the silence, waves, and of course, dirt trails and crazy water crossings, dhaba chais and conversations. Some feelings you can't describe. Some places you just have to see to believe. But the best place on earth is the road beneath your wheels. We will turn the keys to adventure again. But till that time comes, for the sake of all we love and miss, we'll write this out at home.